Naka-green si Inday ngayon at syempre papaiwan ba naman si Trudis liit. Nauna pa nga ng bihis yan at magsusumba daw ulit siya. Libre ang session namin ngayon. Once a month kasi ay manggagaling sa pondo namin ang ibabayad sa coach. Wow. Maraming salamat mga admin. 48 years later. Charot, dumating na ang Zumba coach namin.
She took off his neck and she said, what I'm getting cold is what I need you to do. Baby, put your hands on me, both hands on me. Right now, you're the only one I need. So baby, put your hands on me, both hands on me. When we dance, put your hands on me. Gusto ni Ma, ibigay na ng todo. Sabay-sabay tuloy tayo, uminom ng pato.
Hey,